And finally, Palantir, not part of the Mag 7, but people like it anyway. 167.81, this channel support. We nearly tested last week. It certainly dropped within 1% of it. It is our base of support. We tested it already back in November, and we can continue climbing this channel, above which, believe it or not, the 245.36 channel top remains in play some point in 26. Is this in 3 to 5 months? Is it sooner? I'll get to that in a moment. But if we close this week below 167.81, all bets are off. I would expect at least 138.92 and dropping this could be within 2 to 3 weeks, given the way Palantir can spike its volatility. 138.92 channel support is dropping. You can see how this 125.41 high, this extreme channel bottom, they all come together into a single point in March. I don't think it would take that long. So what I would expect if we close this week below 167.81, 2 to 3 weeks, 138.92, we can bounce nicely from here back to who knows where. We'll see what the charts show at that time. And if we do then close below 138.92, I see the full channel extension as the next 3 to 5 week target at 96.51, anticipating perhaps a week of containment on the way down at 125.41. But I consider the 138.92 formation to be stronger than this 125.41. In fact, I'm going to get rid of that line just to sort of underscore the fact that if we did close below 138.92, 196.51 is likely within 3 to 5 weeks. Until then, holding above 167.81, there's nothing to be but long Palantir if your time horizon is 3 to 5 months. Let's jump to this next chart. Holding above 167.81, we have a high settlement price on the weekly chart that was put out in October of 200.47. This is a good kind of a near-term swing trader, 3 to 5 day, 2 to 3 week perhaps, but holding above 167.81, the point I'm making here is 211.13 in reach over the next 3 to 5 weeks. And this channel structure, you can see the spike low, you can see the high, another spike low. This is a valid resistance level that may contain buying on a monthly basis. We could fill out the wedge between 167.81 and 211.13 through the rest of the first quarter potentially. And then if we close above 211.13, spike in volatility, we could then see 245.36 within 3 to 5 weeks of closing above 211.13. I hope that all made sense. Want the full breakdown? Tap the link below to get key details. I'll see you there.